Kamusta everybody? I'm about to show you a floating house in Laguna Lake. The man, he actually lives on this house. He owns ducks, he's got a dog, cat, he catches the fish. Come over. Let's have a look. While I'm waiting for my passport, I'm learning how to survive with no money. I'm connecting with the locals. Look, it's just surrounded with water all around. And this like a beach. Alright, real quick. Okay, so here we have a kitchen. Man, it's a floating house. The kitchen. Okay to go in?
Oh, yes.
Thank you. That's where he lives. That's his bedroom. Wow. I mean, truly amazing. This is Laguna Lake. And you're looking at the windmill right there. The way of life here is all about survival. I'm here with Melcho, the owner of the house, and I'm going to ask him a couple of questions. Melcho, who built this home? It's a floating house. It's fascinating to live here. How long you been living here?
5 years.
5 years.
Itong aking floating house.
Did you put this together? Did you build it?
Ernie, Panel, Hernan, Tope.
What made you to decide to live on the water rather than land?
Gawa nang dito ako humahango ng mga isda, ng fish, na ako'y maangkat. Pero kami may bahay sa bayan. Kaya ako dito nagpipirme para pag dumadating sila, hindi nila ako hanapin pa.
Can you tell me what a normal day looked like for you as a fisherman, and how do you make your living? How do you earn money?
Mahirap manghuli ng isda, conforme kung may biyaya naman na dumarating na dagsa, yun, nakakita kami ng medyo malalaking pera. Pero pag gantong mahangin, wala din, hindi rin kami nakakalabas sa dagat.
Right. Look, he got a blue eyes. He got a blue eyes, dark blue eyes. How beautiful is that? And what's the best part about living here? What's the hardest part? What do you find most challenging and exciting?
Ang mahirap na pagtira dito pag yung may kalamidad, bagyo. Pero masarap dito pag yung nanguhuli ka nga, maraming mga mga namimili. Kaya medyo maganda-ganda ang kita mo. Kaya nagkakaroon kami ng pera.
During the typhoon and the storm season, how do you keep your home safe? And aren't you scared living on top of the water?
Pag may bagyong ganyan naman, tumatabi rin ako. Pero hindi naman ako natatakot sa ng tubig. Kasi nga, malapit lang ako dito sa bayan, sa Cape. Makakaalis ka rin kaagad. Pagka medyo kalmada na, bumabalik na ako.
My friend, if you would share one message to the world about your life, what would it be, living here on the lake?
Ay, kung hihiling ko, okay na ako rito dahil wala ka ng problema. Tapos, biyaya ka naman natatanggap galing sa taas. Kung ano na lang, bigay sa akin ito na lang, okay na ako dito.
I came here to Laguna Lake and met this gentleman who lives on a floating house built from bamboo, powered by passion. While most of us chase comfort, he found peace right here, surrounded by water. His life isn't easy, but it's free, simple, but his heart is grounded in gratitude. Would you dare to live here? Comment down below.